Hi everyone. Do you know Borobudur Temple? Borobudur Temple is the largest temple in Indonesia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, why was Borobudur Temple able to be listed on UNESCO? And how does this temple still exist today? Let's explain this. Borobudur Temple is a Buddhist temple located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. This monument is a sacred place to honor the Buddha and a place of pilgrimage to lead mankind from the world of afflictions to enlightenment and wisdom, according to the teachings of Buddha. Borobudur is still used as a religious pilgrimage site. Every year, Buddhists from all over Indonesia and abroad gather at Borobudur to commemorate the Vesak Trisuci. In terms of tourism, Borobudur is the single most visited tourist attraction in Indonesia. Borobudur is estimated to have been built around 800 AD. This period corresponds to the period between 760 and 830 AD. The heyday of the Syailendra dynasty in Central Java, which ruled the throne of the Medang kingdom. It is estimated that the construction of Borobudur from 75 years to 100 years and was actually complete during the reign of King Tungga in 825 AD. For centuries, Borobudur was hidden, neglected, and buried under a layer of earth and volcanic ash. After that, trees and shrubs overgrown, making Borobudur really like a hill at the time. Between 928 and 1006 AD, King Pusindok moved to the royal capital of Medang to East Java after a series of volcanic eruptions. It is not certain whether this factor led to the abandonment of Borobudur, but some sources suggest that it is very likely that Borobudur was abandoned during this time. After the Anglo-Dutch War over Java, Java was under British rule from 1811 to 1816. Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles was appointed Governor General and took a special interest in Japanese history. During a tour of Semarang in 1814, he was informed of a large monument deep in the forest near the village of Bumi Sugero. Although the discovery is only mentioned in a few sentences, Raffles is credited with rediscovering the monument and drawing the world's attention to the existence of this once lost monument. In 1896, the King of Thailand, Chulalongkorn, visiting Java in the Dutch East Indies, expressed an interest in owning part of Borobudur. The Dutch East Indies government approved and awarded 8 carts full of statues and parts of Borobudur buildings, including 5 Buddha statues with 30 stone reliefs, 2 lion statues, some color-shaped stones, and Dwarapala statue. Some of these relics are now on display at the Bangkok National Museum. The restoration was carried out between 1907 and 1911 under the direction of Theodore van Erb and according to the principle of annus theoresis. In 1937, the Dutch government awarded him Rider of the Royal Order of the Netherlands. Star awards are given for outstanding achievement in science and art. It is then, in this case, by the completion of the restoration of Borobudur Temple. In the late 1960s, the Indonesian government asked the international community for extensive restoration to protect the monument. In 1973, a master plan was drawn up to restore Borobudur. Between 1975 and 1982, the Indonesian government and UNESCO carried out the measure of completely restore this monument. After restoration, UNESCO listed Borobudur as a World Heritage Site in 1991. That's the explanation about the Borobudur Temple. I hope you like it and thank you for watching this video. See you later.